Okay, we're on the record. Okay. And cause number 321814, is that Carol Savigna?
Yes.
No.
Yes, Your Honor. I can't pronounce it either. Salviano. Mr. Salviano has completed the JCBI program. So once I confirm that with the felony court and the misdemeanor court, then I'll let the court know. So I'm gonna.
Oh, okay, because I think he was sent down to drug court, right?
Yes, he was. He checked in here and then I
Okay.
had him go down to drug court to check in. I just need to confirm that he's completed the JCBI program.
Okay.
He was doing it for the felony and the misdemeanor case.
Okay,
So,
Peppo, okay,
I'll check on that.
all right, Peppo, get Justin Hardy, excuse me, wrong, Anthony Keel, Jordan Francis,
And Mr. Chavis.
yeah, Gary Chavis. Get those three in there.
Francis and who?
Chavis is on pre-trial counsel. Chavis is the fourth from the bottom of pre-trial.
We'll do Mr. Chavis first, John. It's on your pre-trial conference.
Gary Lee Chavis, come forward. Okay, we're on the record in cause number 323544, State of Texas versus Gary Lee Chavis Jr. Mr. Chavis, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Chavis, would you please, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
You may put your hand down. How you doing, Mr. Chavis?
All right, now.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Chavis, your case is on the pretrial docket. You're represented here by Mr. James Padgett. Mr. Padgett, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Padgett, you have an announcement for the court?
Yes, Your Honor. After receiving discovery, we wish to have this case placed on your trial docket.
Reset on the trial? Okay,
And I reviewed everything with my client, and that's his wishes as well.
okay. Okay, we'll get the court coordinated to
No
reset the
problem,
case
Your
on the
Honor.
trial
I'll wait
docket.
until she comes back.
Okay. You can have a seat. You want Keel?
Mr. Francis.
Okay. We're on the record in cause number 325136, State of Texas versus Jordan Francis. Mr. Francis, would you come forward? Okay, Mr. Francis, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Francis, do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. How you doing, Mr. Francis? I'm doing fine. Mr. Francis, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. James Padgett. Mr. Padgett, you have an announcement for the
Yes,
court?
Your Honor. We ask that this be placed on your plea docket.
We said on plea.
I've
Okay.
received all the discovery and an offer. We just allow 30 days.
30-day
I just need to
reset.
Go over some information with Mr. Francis.
Okay.
He's got two cases now,
He does.
Okay.
That's correct, on both cases.
Okay.
page 1 and page 3,
That's correct.
or page 2 of the announcement, let's see. 325136, 325132.
Where's the other case?
One's on the pre-trial, one's on the announcement.
Both cases will need to be placed on. the plea docket.
Okay, let's see. Francis, okay. And also, we're on the record in cause number 325132, State of Texas versus Jordan Francis on the pretrial conference doc. And Mr. Padgett, you want this one on the,
Both of them,
Plea-
Your Honor.
plea
They're gonna
doc-
be worked out,
set
they
the
will
plea.
be running concurrent.
okay. All right, we'll set those on plea docket. We get our court coordinator, give you a reset. Okay, we're on the record in cause number 322 378, the state of Texas versus Anthony Keel. Okay, Mr. Keel, how you doing? Would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Keel, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Keel, you can put your hand up. How you doing, Mr. Keel?
Good.
That's good. Mr. Keel, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Paget. Mr. Paget, you have an announcement?
Your Honor,
Report?
at this time, I would request a 30-day recess.
Your Honor, I'm
Um,
sorry. If I may, I was just looking at my notes on this. If you could give me about 3 minutes, Mr. Pageant, I might be able to resolve this case in a favor for your defendant.
I'll call you, I'll give you about 15 minutes to call you. Would that be appropriate?
That sounds perfect. Thank you.